Hello guys, good morning, magandang umaga po. It's already after 4 days. I'm together with Sergey, go back to Russia. And guys, I'm decided go to the tropical forest. I know one very good place, not so far from my place. It's a river on the tropical forest, and I want to walk until this river, and also on the way to this river it's grow cacao trees. I can show you guys, and also near this river grow bamboo, many bamboo trees, so it's very beautiful, tropical, wild nature. Very good. Let's go walk together, guys. Guys, behind me this is main road, and this land for sale. I just see this lot for sale. 3,000 square meters, contact number, and also beach line for sale somewhere. I don't know where. Yeah, it's good land, but near the road, and I think it's already expensive. Okay guys, I need to go this way. Let's go. Guys, from main road let's go to left side. And it's small sari store here. And this road to the river. Let's go. It's very hot, guys, very hot. I don't know, under the sun maybe plus 45, maybe more. But I want to say that in this time right now in Russia, in my place, also already warm and hot. It's around plus 29 or plus 30 degrees Celsius right now, so it's already summer start in Russia. Very good, but it will be only 3-4 months maximum, then will be colder and winter again. Yeah, so warm period in Russia very short. Guys, so I'm already, I think I need to go right side, so let's go to this way. Yeah, it's banana tree all around. Very beautiful, guys, very beautiful. Maganda, right? Oh, and this is already cacao tree. Yes, right. Yep, this is cacao, and this is small cacao. Okay, let's go straight this way. Look guys, this is all cacao trees. This and this. It's plenty of cacao tree, and it's was river. Maybe in rainy season here will be water, but now no. But already rains very often. Так, I think we'll go to right side. Let's go this way. On this cacao, many ants. Okay, let's go to the river. Very soon will be river. Another one, cacao. Guys, I'm already here. Voice of the river, noise of the river. So, road go down. Let's go down to the river. Guys, this is already river on the jungle river. It's bad bit after rain, need to go careful. Yeah, now it's full of water, not like in dry season, and possible to swim here in this bathroom. And also bamboo trees grow here. Very beautiful. Let's go swim, guys. Oh, very good. It's like bathroom. Oh. Very nice, guys. Very good. Under the bamboo trees. Very good. Whew. Nice. I recommend this place, guys. It's very good place, guys. Now let's go to another place. Let's go together, guys. Guys, I'm already go back and I meet Papa Sergey here. He just come back from his land. Oh, hello, Sergey.
Oh, hello, Dmitry.
I just come from the river and you here. You come from your land. Ты со своей земли, да, едешь? Ага.
Yes.
Okay, good. Already after 4 days we will be in Thailand and then in Russia.
Let's go.
Yeah. Sergey says that he don't want come back to Russia. He would like stay here in Philippines. It's better.
Yes.
Ну, потому что тебе тут надо заниматься строительством, землей, там все такое, да, поэтому, поэтому дела здесь, да, понятно. Но там тоже дела.
Yes.
Везде дела. Anyway, need go back to Russia. And also I'm have work in Russia, and my co-workers, and my friends are waiting for me, and soon already I will work in St. Petersburg, I hope. Okay, guys, let's go to another place now. This is metal stick for land, I think. Yes. Oops. It's a very hard road here, especially after rains. And here another one big track, wide big track. Guys, now I'm at Irina's place and I want to take some rambutan fruits because she have here rambutan tree.
Hello.
This is rambutan tree. This is Irina, and now we will take some rambutan. Wow.
Давай, I will hold. На.
Okay. Let's take some rambutan. Need only red. Only red. This I think also good. This maybe not so.
Good.
Okay, but
You
this
can
better.
pick.
This 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one. This one. This is first time I take rambutan from tree because I never see before how grow rambutan. I'm only
Ты думала, они на деревьях растут?
I buy only in market, in the market already, not from the tree, but from the tree.
But did you know that it is tree?
Yeah, of course. I'm thinking, yeah, but it's more like bush.
Yeah, because here no soil, very little of soil, and they like
Like bush.
gunitan, да? Gunitan. Beside the small one.
Gunitan, what is this?
Гунитан, да? А как кокосовый суп? Я все их путаю, два слова.
Gunitan?
Гинатан, да? А тут гунитан. Паной, small chicken, гунитан? Small chicken, you call гунитан? Гунитан, да? Гунитан. So, гунитан рамбутан.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. It's very good for me.
200 peso.
Guys, I'm also want to show you very big jackfruit. It's very, very big. And I don't know how many kilos, maybe more than 25, maybe 30. So very, very heavy. Big. Like that. This is very big manga tree, guys, and now we go to the beach. Let's go together. Exotic flowers, guys. And this is guava. No, next one. This is guava tree. Let's go and let's check guava. This guava tree. Where is guava? Where is guava? It's small. Where is guava? Oh, one. Good. Let's take it. Guava.
Ой, еще много две двойники.
And this small. Good. And guys, behind this guava tree, already beach. Let's go to swim now. Let's go to swim. Not too much people because it's not weekend, just simple day and low tide. Let's go swim, guys. Guys, I'm just finished swimming and already time to go back because already soon will be dark, already soon will be sunset. Let's go back now. Okay guys, I'm already go back. It was very good day. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in the next videos.
Bye.
Bye bye.